Alright, this is Killer Bee recording a quick video here showing you how to move objects from one map to another in Uncrashed Track Editor. I'm going to show you how to move a QR code that I created in my map. We're going to bring it over to a brand new map. Alright, so in this map I've got a QR code down here on the bottom, and there's one more over here hovering. The location of the object in coordinates X, Y, Z is important. You're going to want to know where those are, because when you move it to a new map, that's where it's going to end up. Alright, so keep track of these coordinates on the bottom here, location X, Y, Z. That's where these objects will end up once you move them. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. We'll create a new map. We're going to call it QR source. So I went ahead and save that new map, QR source. Alright, we're going to get back out to the main menu. Go in the track editor, we'll create a new map, empty board. Alright, so this is where we want it to end up. We're going to save this, and we're going to call this, just call this new map. Okay, and now we can back out. Now what we did, we created a JSON file and the other associated files for that map, and so now those exist on the computer hard drive. And so in this path, user, app data, local, uncrashed, saved, save games, map editor, user. In that folder, that's where all these maps are going to be located. So we've got the QR source, which is where we brought it from, and there's a JSON file in here. So we're going to copy that. And I'm going to just create a new folder to hold these in. Call it moving objects. Alright, so the QR source JSON. And then we want the new map JSON. Alright, now we're going to use this website, JSONEditorOnline.org, and we're going to use this to browse these JSON files. Open it from the disk. Get the source. Got the new map. Alright, so new map, we didn't put anything in here yet. The source has all my QR code objects, everything that was used to create those QR codes. This object here, I'm not sure what it is, but this is, I think, maybe the start flag. X, let me see, 0, 0. I think I'm going to skip it. I'm not going to bring that in. I'll bring everything else in. So what we want, the these objects start with a curved bracket, our name, new row, and then the coordinates and the attributes in the scale. And it ends at the curly bracket there. And then the very last one has a square bracket at the end. So every object in between is going to have that indication that I just shared. So what we want is everything before this all the way to the top. So we're going to select and copy all this. This is going to take a minute to select everything. Okay. We're going to bring it all the way to here. That curly bracket. Alright. So copy all that. And we're going to put it right here. The editor will check and it should flag if there's any incorrect code or if you missed anything. So for instance, if we miss this comma, it would flag it, tell you a comma is missing. So everything's looking good here. We're going to go ahead and save this to the disk. Alright, that's going to download it into your computer's downloads folder. So I'm going to copy that out of there. And we're going to bring it back into here. Alright, so we've got the original new map JSON. We've got this modified JSON where we brought in the objects from the source. So I'm going to take this modified one and I'm going to bring it back into the main folder. So this is under the app data user. And I'm going to paste it in here. We're going to take this one, the original, and we're just going to rename it just in case we break anything. We've got the original. Delete the modified tag on the end of that, so we've got it back to the original name, new map, with the 1 in the middle. It adds numbers in the spaces, so new map. Alright, that's it. So we've got the JSON copied over into the folder. We go back into the editor, go to our new map, open that up. Okay, let's take a look. There's our 2 QR codes. Go highlight those and you can take a look. The coordinates are the same. So that's it. That's how you bring objects from one map to another in the Uncrashed level editor. Hope that helps. This is the map I posted last week where this was all done. This is a Bankers local spot here in Tampa Bay. If you get a chance, check out the map on Uncrashed. You can look it up. It's called Bankers, St. Pete, Florida. Appreciate it. Have a good one.